First variety of designs. The fridge magnet comes in Christmas, Valentine's Day, animal, and art series, meeting consumers' diverse home decor needs. Second, multifunctional design. It serves as both a decoration and a tool to hold notes, photos, recipes, etc. When sold with notepads, the bundled sales increase by 35%. Third, easy installation. The fridge magnet simply attaches to the fridge surface with magnetic attraction, ready to use instantly. Fourth, customization service. Customers can customize unique designs, making it a powerful tool for differentiated competition in chain stores. Direct message me to receive free samples.